Yo, hello guys and welcome back again to another Minecraft tutorial. In this video I will show you how you can see your coordinates in Minecraft, what you can do with it and how you can use them. So first of all, please make sure that you have any kind of Minecraft that supports the F3 key, which helps you see the coordinates. Then open your Minecraft single player and let's go join any word of your word. So let's get ahead and first thing I want to clear the weather because I don't like it to be that way. So weather clear and slash time set day, which is already the time. Okay, that's nice. So what you could do is click F3 just like so, and you will be able to see here the coordinates of your like position where you are. For example, we have X, which is XYZ, which is 81 minus 60, 62, which is the X, Y to Z. The middle one is Y and the others two, which is X and Z. These two will help you determine where you are. Or for example, you were playing with your friends, you can go to your friend using these coordinates. For example, you were in a cave and you found a spawner. You can just like remember where this spawner is located just by saving its coordinates, and you can go back to it later on. So now how you can actually go to a specific coordinate in Minecraft. First of all, let's say for example we want to go to 250 what's 123, something like that. First of all, you go to your X. For example, let's go for X 200. So we will go like that, something like that will work for me. Okay, let's go back a little bit, something like that. Okay, and then let's go check for our 120 30 Z, which will be somewhere in here, somewhere in here. Okay, and then the Y, which is gonna be going upwards, something in here. So we are supposed, if we click wait, something like that. Okay, if we wrote something like slash TP, we are supposed to TP nearby this area. So let's click on it, minus 50, and here we go. We were like literally close to it, next to it, like really close to it. And yeah guys, that's how you can actually make useful things out of your coordinates. And yeah, thank you guys for watching and see you in the next tutorial.